Let's just start with the weather today. It's raining so bad. We have no brightness on our videos. Sorry for that, guys. Let's see how the instructor will test the motor. What is it called? The fan.
The fan.
The fridge fan, which cools the radiator of the fridge. Okay, let's go ahead. Tell us, Malim. So turn it on
You
and
can turn it on like that. It's starting.
so the fan now is running, and he controls with a switch on the outlet. Okay, now it's functioning. Stop it. Let's see. And if we get closer, okay, run it. Stop it. Okay. So that's how to test. So tell us about the connections here. How
The
you
connection.
did it. Maybe some of us were beginners. We don't know how this functions,
The
right?
red one and the white. That is the live.
The red and white cable is live. Okay.
And black and
The
white.
black and
White
white
is neutral.
is neutral.
Yeah.
Okay, that's how you're gonna connect it.
Yeah.
So does it matter how you connect here too?
Yes.
How
also,
tell us.
Smart.
Tell us.
Because this one is neutral. This one is live.
Okay, the right side is live, right?
Yes.
So this is live.
Neutral.
Okay, and this is the left one is
Live.
live.
Yeah.
Calculating from your side.
Yeah.
This is your right,
Right.
and this is that your left? That's your
This
left.
is right. This is left.
Okay, right, what goes is neutral. Left, what goes is live. Okay, live, left. Okay, let's just keep it that way. Simple.
Yeah. Live
Okay.
left.
Okay. Now, what else you're gonna tell us? Oh, I'm gonna turn it on. I'm afraid of it.
Turn.
Yeah, right there. So that's how to test if the fan is working.
Yeah.
So what can be an issue for the fan to go back? If the fan
For
goes,
the fan to go back, if
what
they
happens
have
to the freezer?
If they have what we call if the water going inside, it can be stuck. Yeah. If the water enter inside.
Inside the freezer.
Secondly, if there is a lot of dust, it may become stuck.
Oh, okay, the fan itself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead, open the next step, bro. Keep it always away from your body on the table, on the mesa.
Wait.
Do what you need to do on the mesa, on the table, away from your body. Okay. So how many screws are you removing there?
4 screws of them.
4 screws. One of them is here, and that is the other one. 4 screws. Very long screw anyway. What? That is the size of my finger. Heh. That's too long. Because it's handling heavy.
Well, heavy motor.
It's a heavy motor, heavy fan.
Yeah.
So now he's gonna separate. You removed the. Okay, tell us what you did here.
We remove this one.
Goja. Do it again. Okay, now that was okay. Remove it. Just to pop it out. Okay, good. Next one. What's next after that?
Next one.
Gonga gonga.
Uh,
Keep hitting with the screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Then we remove it
Then just
out.
force it to separate. No problem. Answer. It's okay.
Yes. Adik, come attend to. Adik, come attend.
That's what's inside the.
That is
The fan.
the rotor.
Uh-huh.
This one is the winding.
Okay.
Yeah.
Winding. Okay.
Yeah.
So tell us what goes wrong on this fan most of the time.
If the winding is burned,
Mm-hmm.
the rotor can't rotate.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how can we find it burns?
If you can't,
This wire will
if-
cut off.
Yes. If you find it's burned,
Mm-hmm.
you get it. If you put it on, it comes. It can't come on.
Okay.
It is
will
stuck.
not. It will not play.
Yeah.
It will not turn off.
They're not turn up.
Where the wire cuts off most of the time.
Most of the time,
Mm-hmm.
the wire from the looping of the supplier of power.
Okay. So this whole wire is rotated. Let me just show a little bit.
Yes.
This whole wire
Yes.
that is going around
Yes.
will eventually come to this one
Yeah.
single
Single.
where
smaller
is it?
one.
I can't lift
This
it.
one.
Can you get a screw?
Yeah.
Okay. Do we see this tiny one? This one?
This one. Yeah.
This wire
Yeah.
is the end of all this
This
rotation.
rotation. Yes.
And if when it goes bad, it will cut off somewhere there.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And then you can just reconnect it.
Yeah.
And it will work function.
One function.
And this one is connected to the light, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. What else? Do we have any other thing to fix on this fan?
Inside.
No,
No.
anything. There's nothing else.
Nothing else.
Always only this goes
Only
wrong.
this or
That's
this one.
hey, that's the tip of the day, guys. That's
Yes.
it. We're done on the fan.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's gonna. There was a plastic gone off. How did you put the plastic back? I
Which
need to. Yeah, there was a plastic came off here. This one. How do you put this one in there?
Okay.
Oh, it has this hole. You just have to line it up.
I think it's coming like this. It's coming like this. It's coming like this.
Okay. Okay. So. Put it down. I mean, yeah. So the instructor will line up and he will put the screws back. Did we do something wrong? Oh, this also has to line up.
Have to line it up straight like that.
Oh, there's something you straight up there.
Yeah.
This
This
what
one.
did you do here?
This one. You see? It is.
Yeah, it's the sideways.
Yes. Yes.
So if it is tilted to one side, it's not gonna close. So you have to press it all the way down,
Down.
to make it equal.
equal. Yes.
That's
It
the
come
spring
equal
loaded,
like
right?
That. Yeah. Just
Okay,
now
got
straight.
it. Okay, go ahead, bro. Don't afraid kicking it, hitting it hard
See?
until you line it up.
Yeah.
Okay, screw time now. Wow, great. Okay, I think we're done for the fan today. We're just gonna cut the video there.
Yeah.
When testing, I want you to do one more time for our audience to view how the testing is done. But first to finish, how you're screwing it, all of them.
Yeah.
Tie to the screw, 4 of them. After you reconnect that wire that usually cuts off inside, you have to retest it if it is functioning well. Then you
Yes.
can take it to the customer and make money from it.
Yes. Yeah.
Simple, right?
Yes.
Okay. in the video, only
Oh,
your hands will show up.
It's okay now.
Okay,
Yes.
so test it now. Let's test the okay. So what is this? This
This
what
one,
is
this one
rotor.
is the one who there's a fan blade.
Okay, fan blade. Okay.
So fan blade lining from lines from this.
Oh, so the fan will rotate.
Yeah,
Okay,
fan one will
that's the fan blade. Will be connected to this
Yeah,
to this one. Okay. Okay, great. Let's do the testing now. No, I want you just to do the tester first, without electricity.
Testing like this. How to test it?
Well, now it's turning on, off, on. Okay, let's test it with this now and see if it is going to rotate.
Yes.
Okay, yes, it's functioning. On, off, on, off. That's it. Enough for fridge fan repair work done today. Right, guys?
Yes.
Okay, we're done this on instructor. Let's move to a different task.